Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you that how to use our software and what are the precautions which you have to take while working on the software. First of all, you have to open our software. Here I'm going to open it. Just wait for 2 or 3 seconds. Here, as you can see that it opens a page by default. Because I'm working on a project, so that's why it opens the last page by default, so no need to worry about that. Just click on the clear button. I'm sorry. Now you have to click on open for uploading the fresh page. Just click on open. Now you have to select that particular project folder which you will be having after getting the project. Okay. So as I am already having a project which is located on my desktop, so I'm going to click on desktop. I'll find that project here in the ebook folder. Here you can see that REW97310, this is the project name, so I'm going to click on it and open it. Here you can see that the all files is located in this particular folder. Okay, so you have to click on a particular file. I'm going to select one as I have been selected, and I'm going to click on open. Just wait to 5 to 10 seconds. See what actually happens here. Our software has been converted that particular image file into the text file, okay, line by line. Here you can see the two tabs, the line tabs and the page tab. This line tabs is known as the TP file and this page tab is known as the HTML file. So you have to work on this TP file throughout. Then you have to go to the page tab. First of all, you have to check what you have to work on. That is, you have to check each lines one by one that it is correctly typed or not. As you can see that with his head on my knee and did not wait till I nudge him when our names were whatever the line is, you have to tally that line one by one, word by word. Okay, as you can find any one of the wrongly typed word. See, here you can find. Okay, in this image you can see that it is typed as a fat. Okay, in the image it is typed as a fat, and the converted text does it not tallied with the particular text, so you have to delete it and you have to correct it. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to do the same thing throughout the page. Okay, one by one. You must have to clear that it is 47th line is showing over here. If there will be any line missing, then you have to count the line one by one, then you can tally. Okay, but it should be 47th lines over there in a particular image. Okay, so as you can see, there is some mistakes is also over here, like 10 is typed as length, so you have to tally one by one. The same thing you have to do throughout the page. Okay, once the whole page QC has been done, once the whole page quality check has been done, then you have to click on the copy lines to page button. Because it's a demo session, so I would like to show you that how this button will work, what is the actual work of this button. As I show you that I changed the spelling of fal to fat. Sorry, it was like a question mark, so I typed fat here. Here you can see in the image it's written as 10, and in the converted text format it is written as a length, so we can change this one as well. Okay, let's change it. Okay, so you have to do the same thing throughout the page. And if you go on the page tab, then you will find that mistake has not been changed. Okay, so what you have to do, as I told you, that you have to tally the each lines one by one, each words one by one, and once the whole page quality check has been done, then you have to click on copy lines to page button. Okay, as you can see, there's no changes made here till now. Okay, and on this file I have been changed two words from fat and 10. Okay, and here it's not changed yet. Fat and len is written as it is. So we have to click on copy lines to page button, and now you will see that the changes has been made. Fat and 10. Okay, so you have to do the same thing throughout the page. Once the whole page QC will be done, then you have to click on copy lines to page button. Okay, and the one most important thing which you have to check, that these tags should be there in this HTML file, like start, title, in between the title tab, title open tab and title close tab, it should be here. This is the file name of the particular file name. Okay, if there will be any mistake, then you have to correct it and you have to save it. Okay, like you can see that UAE0B95001 is the file name, okay, which is showing over here as well in the title bar. Okay, then the body tag, then the page tag. In the page tag, you have to check the page number. Okay, page number 95001. It will be automatically converted, but you have to check once at least. Okay, as you can see that page number will be this page 95001. It should be here. Okay, then we will start the paragraph page, the paragraph tag, and you have to check each lines is having the BR tag, BR for the breaking the line. BR tag should be there, and in the last it should be closed. The paragraph tag should be closed, body tag would be closed, should be closed, and it should be end. Okay, so these are the things which you have to these are the precautions which you have to take while doing the quality check. Okay, once it will be when it will be done, then you just have to click on save button. Okay, it is saved now. If you want to check that your file has been saved, so you can minimize. You not need to minimize every time because it's a demo session, so I'm going to show what actually happened over there in that particular folder. Okay, so I'm going to open that folder. Here you can see that two more files has been automatically created. Okay, so you not need to do anything with these files, keep it as it is. Okay, this and this. Okay, once the whole project QC has been done, 150 pages of QC has been done, then you have to send us the HTML files only. Okay, you can sort it by type. All the HTML files will be on the top of your screen. You can select those files and you can copy that, and then you can make a particular folder with the same name, with the same project name. Okay, 97310, and you can write done or complete, whatever you want to do. Okay, paste all the HTML files here, make a zip file, and send this file over the email to us. Okay, so that is it for this demo session. You just have to take some precautions which I told you, and so this was the only thing which you all have to do. Okay, for the next file you just have to clear it. You have to click on open once again. You can select the another file, click on open. It will take 5 to 10 seconds to auto create it. Okay, you have to tally line by line. Then you have to click on copy lines to page button. Then you have to save. Just a simple thing. Okay, so clear it. I'm going to close this session. Thank you so much for watching this video.